Depending on your model, the battery heat management for DC rapid charging can help to increase and speed up the charging performance. To get the ideal charging performance from a public DC charging station in winter, in BMWs with operating system 8, enter the desired charge point as your next destination in the BMW Maps navigation system. This ensures a warm welcome. Simply use your remaining driving range to drive to the selected charging station. While driving, the BMW battery heat management will prepare the high-voltage battery for charging. In the navigation system of a BMW iX3, when entering a public DC charging station, you automatically receive a message suggesting to prepare the battery. Or go directly to Installed Apps and select Preheat Battery. You can also use your voice and ask the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant,
"Hey BMW, help me reduce the charging time."
The most efficient way to reduce the charging time is to use a fast charging station. It can transfer very high amounts of energy and will significantly reduce the charging time. If you also activate the route guidance to a fast charging station, the battery will be prepared to receive the maximum amount of energy possible.